What's going on, peeps? Joshua here, and it is Broken Tibia, day 78. And I'm actually doing a little tinkering on my road bike. So, I'm putting this one back together. I was very fortunate these wheels were given to me recently, which was the big hang-up on this project. And when I received the rear wheel, it turned out to be a cassette style hub on there. And it came with this little rinky-dink thing. Alright, the sprocket on this cassette is just ridiculously tiny compared to this one. Now, what's really neato is that this cassette came off of a mountain bike wheel and was originally an 8-speed, as a matter of fact, and that is what you see here. Bloop, bloop. This one right here. So that is the actual lock ring, and then the highest speed sprocket, or your top speed sprocket, or whatever, your high gear. And I took that off, and it fit brilliantly onto the hub, and I utilized the lock ring from the original cassette that came with the hub there. And it is absolutely phenomenal, peeps. Let me set this stuff down, actually. Give you an idea real quick. This is, so it is a lot larger, which will offer me much better climbing gears around here in these hills, especially with these two larger rings. But yeah, works great. Of course, trying to do that one-handed is kind of ridiculous. And now this shifter that's on the Raleigh is only a 6-speed, so I don't actually get top speed gear. That's as far as I can get, but hey, it is absolutely brilliant. And of course, I mean, it could use a new cable to shift a little bit better, but check it out, not too shabs. See here, a little crinkle there. Oh, all glory to the Lord. I do believe this is going to work outstanding. So yes, at times you can mix and match parts. Fortunately enough, with this being a much newer rear mech, this is going to be much more in alignment with some of the newer specs that they would have had, throughout maybe the 90s or 2000s. And that's probably why this actually meshes. But anyway, I don't know. All glory to the Lord. I'm finally going to be able to actually climb on this thing. So, I'm going out for a test ride here in a little while. And I'll see if I can set up the GoPro maybe and take y'all along with me. If not, I'll stop and let y'all know how it goes. Catch y'all soon.